This time on this Branch Creek, we'll be repairing the Awning attachment reel. Looking at the bottom side of the awning, you can see where the attachment reel is pulling away from the side of the camper. For this job, I'm going to cheat a little bit and use a scissor lift. When the manufacturer installed the awning, they put the screws directly into the fiberglass. Screws are not a good choice for use in fiberglass. They often strip out, as these have done. Today we'll be using the trifold Moly Rivets to repair the awning on the RV. The Moly Rivets have slots cut in them that allow the legs to bend and give you better weight distribution across the panel. When you apply pressure, the legs fold out, and that's what you end up with. This is a self-tapping screw that I took out of the awning. We're going to try it on this piece of aluminum and show just how easy it strips out with a powered screwdriver. And just like that, it's stripped out and you're not going to have any holding power. Here's a standard rivet. This rivet mushrooms out when you put it in the hole. It's a little smaller than what I used on the RV, but it's going to give you an idea how they work. And that's how the normal rivet works. Now we have one of our tri-folding Moly rivets. They have slots cut in 3 spots, so it'll form a triangle and give you better coverage on the back side. As you can see with the Moly rivet, it distributes the force over a much larger area than the normal mushroom rivet. Now it's time to install the Moly rivets in the awning. I'll put a link in the description for the Moly rivets I used. Before installing the new rivets, be sure to check the condition of the butyl tape behind the rail. This is what will seal the holes and prevent water from entering the RV. Started installing the rivets in the center of the rail, working my way to the outside, doing only 3 to 4 rivets at a time. This pulls the rail back against the side of the RV and makes it easier to install the rivets. In this video, you can see the rivets pulling the rail back against the side of the RV. Next, we put a little sealant over the rivets just to be sure we don't get any water intrusion. If you could please click that subscribe button, it would really help us out.